guys, so I just got paid today. That's sweet, sweet YouTube money. So I'm gonna do what all YouTubers do when they get paid. Go to the Gucci store. What better way to spend your easy money like a trip to the Gucci store? Okay, let's be honest, I'm actually really scared to do this challenge. Is this even a challenge? I know people have done like blindfolded outfit challenges, but I don't got access to a Gucci store right now. It is 1 in the morning. All the Gucci is asleep. I don't wanna go over there and disturb it. So we're on the Gucci site. I've took the liberty and loaded every single item that Gucci has. I am terrified that I'm going to get something I can't afford. Like, look at this, $15,000, $28,000. I am not trying to spend $28,000 on a video right now. So I kind of want to give myself like 2 or 3 chances to pick. Is 3 too many times? Maybe I should do it 2. I haven't even explained what I'm gonna do. So I am going to load all the items Gucci has. I'm not sure if I should do all the women's stuff. Okay, so there's over 2,000 things that are just in the women's section, and there are over 2,400 things altogether. So I think I'm gonna load all of the women's items. So I'm gonna take my scrolly and I'm gonna just do it for a few minutes. I'm gonna have to close my eyes, otherwise I'll get dizzy and throw up and have to take a nap, but we're gonna load everything. How long is this gonna take? Why can't I just load everything? Oh my god, these shoes are so dope. Look at these though. These just dropped. I saw a Graveyard Girl trying these on. I was like, they're cute. We might be here all day, so every time I do load more, it takes me to the top, which is very annoying. Can y'all not? What if it lands on a kid's thing? Like, what am I gonna do with baby pant with Gucci jacquard trim? What am I gonna do? I wanna be able to wear what I buy. Low-key, I'm hoping this lands on something I want. There's not a lot of things from Gucci I want. This is getting out of hand. There's a lot of things for me to choose from. Oh my god, that was cute. What was that? Okay, never mind. Deep breaths. So I'm gonna close my eyes now. I won't peek. I am not peeking, okay? I don't cheat in this type of shit. I'm trying to make this as legit as possible. Yeah, I'm gonna do this the most getaway possible. Seriously, I'm just gonna point my finger on something. This sucks having a 1 camera setup. I got a screen recording, but it doesn't show where my finger's pointing. So y'all gonna have to trust me on this one, okay? I have my scrolly thing. You guys can see the screen light go. So I'm gonna take my sweet ass time scrolling through this right now. I don't know where we are in the Gucci store right now. I think I lost the scrolly thing. I'm gonna just pick something right now. I'm like right, oh, I'm not even gonna move my finger. I'm not even gonna move it. Literally, right in between this ugly ass sweater and these ugly ass shoes. So I am so glad this was right in between. I think we need to do this again. All right, I need to get my aim on point. I really hope I'm still on the scrolly thing. Please don't be something expensive. Come on. Let's see. Okay, okay, okay. I think I'm ready to make my selection. The same thing! Oh my god! I scrolled it out! It literally landed on the same 2 things. What is this? Can I just pick one of these? My finger is on this one, but my nail is on that one. I actually kind of like these rubber slides. This is one of the things. We still can do it again. All right, let's try this again, and we're not gonna get the middle of the screen. Let's do this. Oh, I accidentally stopped recording. Okay, we ain't over yet. Making my way downtown, walking fast, and I'm Gucci store bound. Whoa, okay. Looks like I'm buying this. Again! Okay. Oh! Oh! I think it's meant to be. It is meant to be. I was looking at these glasses a few months ago, and I tried them on. I don't know if it was the black ones, but I tried them on several times, and I really liked them, and I kept going back to the store and looking at them. These are really pretty, but $1,085 for sunglasses. Oh my god, the brown ones are so pretty. I love sunglasses. But these are a little extra. These are a little too extra. Little Trisha Paytas extra. You know what? We did all that for nothing. We're just gonna go with these $290 rubber slides. You know that you could buy at Old Navy for like $5, but they say Gucci on them, so. All right, I'm gonna buy these. I'll see you in a few days. Hey guys, so today I am not in my usual setup. We are in my dining room where we eat and drink. And open up Gucci boxes. So I got my mystery box from Gucci, except it's not really much of a mystery box. Technically I know what's in it, but can we just take a second to appreciate how beautifully wrapped this is? Like, I almost don't want to open it just because it's so perfect. This is gonna be more painful for me than for you. Oh wait, it doesn't even open. Did they double knot this? They double knot this, man. Now it's actually gonna be more painful for me. Ugh. Woo, I love this box. It has like lines going through it, and I could do some like ASMR on this. So today we're gonna be opening this Gucci box. Am I doing it right? Sorry, I'm way too loud to do ASMR. I know a lot of you guys asked me, but I'm too loud. I can't whisper for more than like 3 seconds. Gucci responsibility. Y'all remember this from last time? They gave me one of these. It's like, we care about the environment. This footwear has been realized using colored plastic materials. Realized? We therefore advise against leaving the footwear exposed to direct sources of strong light for prolonged periods. All right, so don't put your Gucci flip-flops out in the sun. Now I'll just get to the point. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord, these is nice. These are nice, like eyes. I actually really love these. I hope they fit. I really hope they fit. But I'm gonna show you everything that comes in the box first. We got the beautiful, oh, there's 2 of them. So for each shoe, you get this pretty satin dust bag. Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. I wanna sleep on it. Man, these shoes got a nicer bed than me. You literally get to sleep in satin. So you got a tag on this that say Gucci. Like, I've seen these in the store a lot, but I never thought I would buy them because I have so many slides and I don't know, they just say Gucci on them. I like them. I like them. Why this got the same sole as my $5 slides? But for what, like $300? How much were these? Get all those balls. We're gonna put these on right now and try them. Hopefully they fit. Oh my god, they fit perfect. All right, I lied. See, these look like they fit, like at first, but these couldn't be more uncomfortable. Holy, right here. It's just way too tight. I don't know why all these designer shoes fit so different. It's like not made for actual feet. I got a bone right here. It ain't even that bad, but it's just way too tight. Like the length is pretty good. Maybe if it came in like a 7.5, but I literally cannot walk with these. I wanted to like these so bad, but they hurt when I walk. This part is way too big. It sits like literally an inch above your feet. Like, I don't understand. Why can't they get these shoes right? Or maybe I need a bigger size, but I feel like a bigger size would be too long. Maybe if I keep wearing them, they'll stretch out. But right now, these are pretty unwearable. I'm sad. I really wanted to like them. I'm gonna walk in them a little more. See how I feel. Gucci flip-flop. You hit your in the socks. Gucci flip-flop. Check the wristwatch. Hey, it's perfect. I mean, maybe if I try a bigger size, they would work. I think I'll try that. But anyways, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button in the face and comment below where I should waste my money next. Hey, this is a good look. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit that notification bell so it'll let you know every time I upload. Because who knows when the next video will be? I don't. And make sure you subscribe to this channel. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.